day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Alright boys, well I figured it's time to finally give the Tao a quick refresh. I was going to go all in and kind of do like a full repaint on it, but I don't really want to do any other colors but black on this thing anyway. So I figured I'm just going to take it apart. It's getting dark out early, we're probably going to end up riding at night, so I'm going to hook up my lights because they've just been sitting in there and not wired in for like a really long time now. So a few things like that, dye all the plastics, it's kind of falling apart, tighten every nut and bolt in the thing, and just kind of give it a little quick refresh. So probably do new fuel lines too, because the other ones look a little like little dry rotted. So alright, so I took the seat bracket off. I'm going to reinforce it and rewrap the seat in like probably red again. I haven't had a brake light in a minute, so I'm charging the battery. And the front light still works, so I just got to charge the battery, throw this in. And I got to make my battery like easier to get to too, because I can never charge it because of that. It's all the plastic, so yeah. This is the same brake light we get every time. It's just like the cheap Amazon LED piece. You know what it is. Alright, so jumping right back into the Tao scooter. I'm basically going to redo my seat support today because it had some bad welds I threw on like forever ago. I made this scooter like 5 years ago. I'm also going to change my seat fabric and probably clean this off, touch up some paint back here, wire in my tail light, freshen this thing up like I said, and then get her dialed again, hit some more wheelies. So. Alright, got the seat bracket on there, mounted and painted, hosed off the scooter too, so she's cleaned up. So next thing I'm going to do is go get new fabric for the seat. Couple good ones in there.
In the sky like a raven fish. God's plan. God's plan. I can't do this on my
Alright, so I have a pretty crazy seat because I don't have a seat bucket or anything. So I kind of have some screws to hold down the front and a bracket to hold down the back. That's how I'm doing it right now. This is all welded down to the frame, so this just kind of sits on top. All right, seat is done and wiring is done. I just got to put the switches in. So I kind of set this on there for now. And boys, it's time to put the scooter back together. So, all right, you're about to see Zip Tie Central. We're about to go crazy, put all this back together, and then we'll maybe go give her a test run or something. But I basically plan on just putting my switches back in these holes I have drilled right here. So headlight, tail light, that's all I got. That's all I need. Alright, so now for the floor one. I was gonna take the floor mat out and run just raw floor mat, but I figure I'm just gonna screw this down, zip tie it down a little bit better, and then call it that. So I actually like the floor mat a lot. So. That's on there now, boys. Now that thing's on there. I don't think I've ever had it that secured. Alright, got the new setup here, so I'm gonna try to throw it on quickly before all this fuel leaks out, I guess. Alright, now it's time to put the side plastics on to finish this thing up. So you kind of just zip tie it everywhere you physically can. How to build a moped that wheelies and hopefully doesn't fall apart. So all I'm gonna do now is just clean her up a little bit. You know, we gotta get the fresh MOPBOYZ stickers on there. New colorways out now. Look at the description. Headlights wired up now. So that's awesome. I need a headlight and tail light. Alright, so this is how we're rocking the MOPBOYZ sticker this time around. Fronts. And then I got the white gold mix back here. I tried to make it look like 3D, but I kind of messed up because I forgot these white stickers with the old gen ones. And they're a little bit smaller, so it kind of like overlapped weird, but it still looks sick, so. For sure getting winter now, boys. It's chilly out here. Went from like 100 degrees last week. Action, little headlight action now, boys. She's back, boys. She's back. There's been a lot of wheelies and a lot of damage to her, so she's feeling pretty dialed again. Until next time, we're about to go riding on